Hello everyone, this is Dr. Akshata BG, Assistant Professor of Commerce. Now I am going to discussing you with the concept certainty equivalent approach, the meaning, concept and advantages and disadvantages. Before that we understand the concept of certainty equivalent approach. Certainty equivalent is the return or the cash that an investor will accept today than the higher but uncertain return in the future. Or we can say it is the certain or guaranteed cash that an investor would prefer instead of taking a risk for a larger amount than he may get in the future. An approach to dealing with the risk in a capital budgeting context. It involves expressing risky future cash flows in terms of a certain cash flow which would be considered by the decision maker as their equivalent. Thus, in this approach, a set of risks less cash flow is generated in the place of the original cash flows. In simple word, we can say it is a lesser amount of money that one would accept to deny entering an event in which he or she may win an even larger amount of money. So this concept is instrumental in evaluating risk. A point to note is that the certainty equivalent depends on the risk tolerance of an individual, or we can say it may vary from individual to individual. For instance, a person nearing retirement would have a high certainty equivalent as he or she is less likely to put their retirement funds at risk. As said above, this concept helps in evaluating risk. Every investment must pay return to the investors equivalent to the risk that he or she takes. The higher the risk, the more is the return that an investor expects. A company that wants to attract investors towards its bond can use of such behavior. This company would now have an idea of how much return it needs to offer to encourage the investors to take the riskier options. Let us discuss the advantages of certainty equivalent. The certainty equivalent method is very simple and it is easy to understand and apply. It can be easily calculated for different risk level applicable to different cash flows. And let me explain the disadvantages of certainty equivalent approach. There is no statistical or mathematical model available to estimate the certainty equivalent. There is no objective or mathematical method to estimate certainty equivalence. Certainty equivalent is subjective and varies as per each individual's estimates. Likewise, certainty equivalents are decided by the management based on their perception of risk. So in this session we discussed definition, advantages and disadvantages of certainty equivalent. Discussing you with the concept, steps involved in certainty equivalent approach along with the formula. So very first important thing is that certainty equivalent cash flow is the risk-free cash flow which an investor considered equivalent to a higher but risky expected cash flows. The certainty equivalent approach, in order to calculating the risk level, two steps are involved. First one, remove risk by substituting equivalent certain cash flows from the risky cash flows. This can be done by multiplying each risky cash flow by the appropriate certainty equivalent coefficient. Second step is discounted value of cash flow is obtained by applying risk less rate of interest. Since you have already accounted for risk in the numerator using certainty equivalent coefficient, using the cost of capital to discount cash flows will tantamount to double discounting of risk. The certainty equivalent is a guaranteed return that someone would accept rather than taking a chance on a higher but uncertain return. To put it another way, the certainty equivalent is a guaranteed amount of cash that would yield the same exact expected utility as a given risky asset with absolute certainty and represents the opportunity cost of risk. So the idea of certainty equivalent can be applied to cash flow. The certainty equivalent cash flow is the risk-free cash flow that an investor or manager consider equal to a different expected cash flow which is higher but also riskier. Therefore, the formula for calculating the certainty equivalent cash flow is as follows. Certainty equivalent cash flow is equal to expected cash flow divided by 1 plus risk premium. The risk premium is calculated as the risk adjusted rate of return minus the risk free rate. The expected cash flow is calculated by taking the probability weighted dollar value or rupee value of each expected cash flow and adding them up. So in this session we discussed the steps involved in certainty equivalent approach and the formula for calculating risk certainty equivalent coefficient.